inside the fear, but nothing makes me fall. I don't wait for light to come. I was born to conquer all. This world is hard, I know it's weight. I understand the precious stone. I step straight into the battle with steady pulse and full control. I'm fragile, yes, understand it well. Even fragile glass cuts as well. If you push me, I don't break. I leave my mark along the trail. I'm a woman built to resist. I'm a woman firm in my decisions. When I rise, I don't know how to fall. Across the storm with wings of steel. I'm a woman. I crush your day again. Everything in me makes sense. My emotions don't restrain me. They're my drive, my consequence. I adapt, I calculate, I move. I know the price of getting there. Pressure doesn't break my will. It's resting on the drowning. I'm fragile, yes, like sharpened, drift through limits as I pass. Touch me wrong and you will learn. You want shit out of attack. I'm a woman built to resist. Under me, I rise steady with wings of steel. I'm a woman, and I crush your day For the next time alarm, I forged myself along the way. My strength lives inside my mind, in my instinct when I act. Break it real. I will not hesitate. This world is tough, so am I. Don't you resist, I learned to fly with wings of steel. I crush your day once more. I'm fragile. That's where the edge is. I'm censored.